Hello guys, welcome back with another video. And the quick shifter is doing really nice job, guys. In case if you guys are wondering, I sometimes still forget that I have a quick shifter, but it's just good to have one. So it's fun. I enjoy. Oh my god, looks like a little bit traffic ahead, so I feel really jealous of people who live in California, guys. They have the best state to live in for motorcycle riders. Like, you can lane split all day long and not get in trouble. And I wish we can do something here in, tri-state or Connecticut. I mean, I live in Connecticut. I hope, or maybe we can find like a bunch of riders and sign a petition and make the lane splitting legal. That would be so nice. I mean, like when you get stuck in traffic with the bike, I mean, I do it anyway, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. But it's not safe, and people don't like that, especially people with the stuck in traffic with cars. They do not like bikers to lane split, so we just have to be very, very careful. So people in California, you guys enjoy the freedom. It is a beautiful, beautiful day. It's hot, and bikes get hot. Like right now it's 206 degrees. I'm like sitting on top of the bike. It's you are getting pretty hot down there. That's which to be expected. I'm wearing a mesh jacket, has a good airflow, but it still it gets hot. I don't even have my riding shoes on, so it's like my foots are pretty hot. I'm wearing like a dress shoes. Hey, but I'm not complaining. I'm just saying I can't complain we should never complain when you're riding motorcycle. You should always enjoy whatever nature throws at you. I don't think the traffic is the nature, but it's human nature, I think. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go, guys. Forgive me on the cameras, but I can't wait that enough longer than that. See, look at that, people. I wasn't going to show you guys doing lane splitting on the camera, but sorry, I couldn't help it. Yeah, I only do it when the traffic is like dead stop and you can't, it's safer for me to go between traffic than just standing. You don't know, people are distracted driving nowadays, like everyone on their cell phone, and they're probably not going to see you that you are stopped, so I might as well continue. Yeah, I don't think officer is going to listen to my excuses, but you gotta be safer than sorry. I can eat a ticket, but I would rather be safe. I mean, so alright guys, so this is going to be it for this video, and really appreciate you guys for watching my channel, watching the videos on my channel, and giving me likes. Really appreciate that. And YouTube is not my my job. I do it for fun. It's good, it's fun. It's like another way of connecting with the world, so I feel really good. And things are getting busier as time goes by, you know, the work and everything is getting a lot busier than last few months. So I just want things to get normal. I really miss going out to eat and things like that. You know, it's just different nowadays with all the lockdown and social distancing and stuff like that. So I just hope, you know, we just get over it very soon and back to enjoying our life. I don't know, what is she doing here? So I'll see you guys in the next video.